Hello, welcome back. So now we are going to see the another one example using R. So in this particular video, we are going to see how to plot the 3D scatter plot using R. So you can also get this link in the description of the video. And we are using the Plotly to generate the 3D scatter plot. Okay. So if you're interested in the Python, you can switch and you will get the code with respect to the particular language you are interested. Okay. So same thing we are going to try over here with respect to iRace dataset. So we are going to use R right now. And here it is mentioned that is library Plotly we are going to use. And then we have to define the data set over here like an empty car. And after that as automatic and the manual based car. So based on that, we are calling the data and then plotting the data with respect to giving the particular command that is the figure and the plot that is nothing but the empty cars, and x and y is defined and the color has been given, and with the color the different colors has been indicated over here. So this is how it has been included, and then the figure has been added as a markers is nothing but the automatic and the manual. Okay, and then the third command is nothing but the figure with the layout, and the list has been given with the axis. Title is a weight, and then the title has been defined with respect to the z-axis because it's a 3D plot. Okay, and then if you just write the command as a figure and just run this, the 3D plot will get generated. So this is exactly what we have done over here in our particular R Studio. So using this, okay, now you can see the same command has been written, library Plotly. For this, you have to copy and just search in the install package with respect to Plotly first and install that particular Plotly. Okay, so here you can see this. Now you can see the Plotly has been installing successfully in our system with R Studio. And once it's done, okay, the package has been successfully unpacked. So after it's done, so the path has been defined where it has been installed. Then we are going to run the command like this. Okay. After this, the data has been called as a automatic car, and then the manual car, and the data with respect to the factors has been included. Now we are going ahead for visualizations. So figure X and Y has been defined, and then also the color has been defined, and the marker has been added in the next command. And after that, we are defining the particular title, weight, and the particular z-axis over here. So x, y, and z axis has been defined. So then we are calling the figure. Okay, so we are going to run this. Now, once I do that, we will going to see the 3D visualization over here. Okay, so this is how the 3D plot has been generated using Plotly library in R. So X, Y, and Z has been defined. You can export the image and save as image in the form of different file format what you will need it. Okay, and the width and height can be defined and it can be saved in the particular part. So this is how you can use the Plotly library using R.